Sa Japan na tayo. We gotta Japan. Ha? Japan. Sa Japan. First time in Japan. Yeah.
Oo.
Tokyo Haneda. And this is their goods restricted by Washington Convention. Okay. So, peacock feathers. I don't know what that is. Snake belts. Of course, drugs. Unaccompanied baggage. Look at that. That. This is the most bootleg.
Toilets are located at the end of the corridor.
Nababasa mo? Ang sinabi? Saan na ba tayo? Ano? Press. Close. Kitchen. Sabi niya Naruto. Naruto daw to. ATM Naruto. Okay.
Ito.
Hindi ko alam. So, may mga gacha machine sila dito. Ganun mga laruan. Look at that. Cost 200 yen. 500 yen. 500 yen, I think. May Mario. May tape measure. May chinelas. Oh. Some fish. 300. May pagkain, no? Ano pa pala rito? Ito. Change. So, lagay mo 1,000. You get change. Too bad everything else is closed. Can't do anything. Gone. Nakahanap tayo ng vending machine. First time ever. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. So you access Visa contactless payment. So you lagay. But then I got one that's contactless. I can test one out. Hindi ka magdala. So ayan. Gimana ba yan? Oh. No. Oh, maybe anong kukunin mo? Oh, okay, so press first, then low. Ako contactless. You know, right there. It says right there. It's contactless payment. Give me food. So select drink. Paano mag-ano? Ayaw. I guess this is it. Ayaw. Oh, that was failed. I thought this was a contactless payment. This is right there. Contact. Okay, whatever. Let's keep going. Maybe we get the different section. Oh, that sucks. Kakain sana kami, but the kitchen is closed, so we're gonna keep going until they call us, and then we're gonna run to our gate is 112. Right now we're 109, so it's over there. It's over there. Ang babait ng mga tao dito. She was that little passenger cart over there, right here. She was offering a ride for us. I was like, "That's okay, thank you very much." It's pretty cute. So we're gonna keep searching the place, see if we can find some little snacks we can go to. Okay, nakahanap na naman tayo ng vending machine. Sana hindi lang contactless. Hopefully they take the whole card. I want to buy a lot souvenirs. Let's see. Yan. Another one. Okay, I think this is. Can you use card, right? Card. Can you use this card? Yeah, you can use card. Oh, look at that. So, 100 yen to 160 yen. That's about $1 each. Yeah, you know what? Why not? Let's try it. Let's buy it. That. So good. I want 48, and I want some energy. So let's try 43. Okay. I want 210. Whatever. I have no idea. Hey. Okay, never mind then. Sorry. Failed again. May coins siya eh. Wala tayong coins eh. Kung may coins lang tayo, oo.
Coins?
Coins? Hindi, piso gago. Yen. Wala kang yen.
No lang niya.
Well, that's new. So, nag-go off yung escalator if no one's there. And then if they sense someone nearby, it turns on by itself. It's pretty cool. So, babalik tayo. Titingin tayo ulit kung may anong mabibili kasi I wanna get something. Okay, so most of the stores in here are closed. I don't think it's because if it's nighttime. I think it's because of COVID. Japan got hit really hard by COVID. They have a high rate of infection in here, so they have to close everything and take precautions very seriously. And you know, there's not a lot of people right now. So let's get going. So we're gonna try international ATM this time. There you go. There you go. Withdraw. Hindi yan. Ah, okay. Eh? I thought it was... Holy balls. I was able to get money. I was able to withdraw it. I didn't know it was possible. Now I need to change it for coins. I'm thirsty. Looks too good. I don't want it. But let's do it. Okay, so you think this is how you use contactless reader in Japan? Apparently, I was able to get some. Okay, I was stupid. So, apparently, you can't just pick one. You know, for example, I want this. No. I want this. No, I want this. You can't just use. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. You have to press. Then you can do that. Yay! We got it. Bibili tayo ng marami ngayon. So, nakakuha ako ng 10,000 yen. I have to change that back or keep it. 10,000 yen. Let's see. Bilis, buksan mo. Ano lasa? Ano lasa? Okay, bibili tayo ng ano ngayon. Pasalubong. Vending machine, pasalubong. There we go. Let's go this one, number 5. Number 5. Press this. Press this. Okay. It works. That's one. Let's try that one, number 7. You press this. So either this. It doesn't read it, so I might as well use this. What's the magic happen? Oh. Okay, food I don't know about. Let's try this one. It's like a drink. What is a drink? Let's try this too. Mint. Yeah, what is a mint? Let's try this one. 45. 45.
ださい。カードまたはモバイルでお支払いください。
Nope.
しばらくお待ちください。ありがとうございました。
Cool. Alright. Okay, so we were able to get 3 snacks because the rest were already in the US. This looks pretty new, and my mom wanted to try something new, so that's what we're gonna get for my mom.